Bacon, smoke, and not smoke.
Yeah, smoked and unsmoked.
Oh, it's a lot. And then it's got of chicken, ribs, what's that? Sausages. Laki.
That looks like
We are.
that looks like the pork chop things in that one.
Ah, this is the one is big. Oh my
German
god.
sausage
German
thing.
sausages. That's a lot.
I don't know
What's that there? Ah, that is the turkey.
That's the turkey roll things.
So we don't need to have a turkey then. The big
This
one.
is that's all the pork chops in that one.
Which one? The pork chop. Ah. Oh yeah. Oh, stick. Barbecue tayo.
So you've got two of these bloody things.
Yeah. He give everything.
What, two of those
Chicken.
bloody German things?
Oh, a lot of
Is that
ribs. Ribs and pork belly.
Ribs and pork belly. Oh yeah. I wasn't expecting the bloody chicken to be frozen.
It's a frozen then.
Yeah, look, you can feel it. You can feel the ice.
Oh, you can put that in the fridge anyway.
Yeah. I'm going to put it in the freezer here, so go on then, I'll let you sort it out.
Okay. Hiniwa ko ilagay ko sa fridge, sa ref to guys, sa freezer. Fresh na ribs. Ayan, pork belly. Kami lang naman nakakain ito. Meron pa, ang dami. Oh. Nilalagay ko sa food bag guys, tapos ilagay ko siya sa freezer. Ayan. Ayusin ko muna. Guys, ilalagay ko na sa freezer. Ayan. Ay. Okay, so free lang to. Ilagay ko sa ilagay ko sa food bag. Ayan, dami pang ayusin ko. Ayun o. Freezer ko to kasi pupunta dito yung apo ko. Ayan, German sausage to, masarap daw to. Ayan, masarap yung gawa nila dito, sausage. Ayan, dami o. Ayan. Ilagay ko sa freezer yan. Para pag nagutom, at least mayroong iprito. Kasi mag-fried rice na lang ako. Lagay ko to. Yan. Sausage. Bacon. Smoked bacon. Dami guys. Pang pork chop. Chicken. Sa puno ang freezer namin.